Look at my beautiful creation in Animal Company here. I don't know what the heck it's supposed to be, but walk in here, you got navigation, got air conditioning. There you got air conditioning. You can go up. I don't know why you go backwards. But it's like a little helicopter guy. Hold on, I'm just gonna do a modification real quick. No, actually, I'm gonna keep that there. Okay. There's even more to lift upwards. Gonna go slight angle. There we go. Okay. No more air conditioning. The helicopter, you got your RGB navigation system. That's totally not Galaxy stuff. RGB. Yeah. I don't know if we tested if wait, I know what to add. We need a way to see at night. I don't know if it'll stick. Okay, how much goop do I know I don't have much left. Okay. This is using up like all of my goop. Which isn't the best idea, but whatever. Which isn't the best, actually. Not really an idea. There we go. Okay, let's go test this. Oh gosh. Okay, yep, bye-bye.